Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Chiron in Cancer. People with Chiron in Cancer can often feel unloved or unsupported and can even feel like they're undeserving of love. They can often feel very lonely, and they can ruin their relationships by smothering their partners because they want so much attention. There's a potential to do things such as lying or cheating in order to get attention, and they also have the potential to make up things or be psychosomatic, and just to try to get attention because they really just want attention. They want to be loved, and they sometimes don't know how to best seek love, and they really need to learn to love themselves. And when they love themselves, other people will be more loving in return, and also understand that they are worthy of love. And that's my analysis of Chiron in Cancer.